Good morning once again, grade 12 Kierkegaard. Today we will be having our lesson 3 in Physical Education and Health 4 entitled Setting FITT Goal. So last time we discussed about physical fitness, okay, and what are the things that we need to do prior to doing our physical fitness tests and exercises. And we also discussed that doing such things in our daily lives will help us improve our muscles, our heart rate, no, in and even our breathing uh, condition. So it really uh, exercise is really important based on what we have discussed last time. Now we will be discussing more of the personalization of your personal fitness plans. Okay, so before we move forward, let me ask you this question. What kind of physical activity do you do every day? Meron ba ditong nagba-bicycle every day? Or nag-walking? Or nagjo-jogging every day? Or uh, who among you here are more into sports? Na ba may basketball routine every day or every week? Okay, so those are physical activity that we might be doing every day, no? But sometimes there are activities that we do not dili na to siya intention nga we're doing this because this kay physical activity ni siya, no, or exercise na ko ni siya. Sometimes we just do it because we need to do it, like manglaba, manghugas og plato, magdilig og halaman, no? So many are the things na nakasali sa ating daily routine in order for us to survive as a living thing, but those are the things na nakahelp na di ay sa to physically. Okay, so we will be discussing more about this. Okay, so setting your goals is one thing, achieving them is another. If you're looking for the best and easiest way to do that, there isn't one. A personal trainer can greatly help you in the process, but it's still you who has to put in the hours and the effort. So meaning though, when we do our physical fitness activities, it is very important to set our goals, no? To set our goals, these are our guide, or this help us um stay focused on what are the things that we need to do. And dito rin natin makikita kung ano na yung mga bagay na nagawa na natin every day. So, goals are set in specific way, no? Those are, or these must be attainable and these must be measurable. This should be timely, no? Let's say kanang you want to kanang mas ig-on jud nimo unta imong core. So what are the exercises that you need to do para strengthen ang muscle sa imong core? Or let us say nagasakit ang imong tuhod, no? What are the stretchings that you need to do in order for you to ease the pain sa imong tuhod kung imo siyang piluon or kung maglakaw ka. So it should also be timely and it should be relevant sa imong health condition today. Okay, for me, ang ako is medyo nito kara ang akong asthma, no? Lately because one of our dogs kay nanganak siya, and then kanang cute man gud kaayo ang puppies, so I usually hug them and kiss them, no, every day, or in ako'y time nga mo visit sa room kung asa sila gibutang. So murag nito kara akong asthma, but I know that asthma is also related to lungs, to the condition of my lungs. So probably I would also do exercises that will help me breathe properly because of my asthma, no? So for those who are having asthma there, pag ano mo dira, pag amping mo dira, no? So dili ta kaayo magpaabog or magduol-duol sa mga pets nato. Okay, so that is setting our goals. But sabi dito, achieving them is another. Meaning, even if you have the goals, even if perfect pagka-craft ang imuhang goals, attainable siya, specific siya, measurable siya, relevant siya, and timely siya. But, if wala tayong effort to reach those goals, to achieve our goals, all those things na gibuhat nato, gi-cite nato, wala to siya sense tanan, no? Mawalaan to siya sense tanan kung wala jud tay paningkamot pod to reach those goals. And mind you guys, exercise is one of the most kanang ingon sa doctors na mabuhat nato sa balay to keep us away sa mga sakit. Pero kani ang pinakalisod buhaton, no? Kani ang pinaka grabe og sacrifices na butang dapat or required sa ato ang health, no? Para gwapo ato ang health conditions. So, naragyo na sa tao kung how serious are you to achieve your physical fitness goals. Okay, so sometimes it is needed to hire some trainer, personal trainer, or if you pay a visit to the neighboring gym studios, no? Pwede ra pod, no? And you are going to avail the service of their gym instructors. Pwede ra pod kaayo na siya. However, there are ways to structure your exercise routines, no? So routines are very useful for us to create a lifestyle because according to some research, 21 days daw pag ginabuhat nimo na every day or na kay routine and you followed it for 21 days, there is a huge possibility nga mabuhat nimo na siya perfectly or mag-create na siya lifestyle sa imuha og pangitaon na nimo na siya kung kanang ma-miss nimo siya ba. Kung ma-miss nimo siya, na-adjust percentage, dako nga percentage sa imuha nga pangitaon og buhaton nimo to siya kay naanda na nimo siya for 21 days. So, lisod na siya i-fulfill kana 21 days kay naadira ang katapol, naadira ang mga distractions, no? Instead na magkuanta, mag-zumba taaning orasa or mag-push up ta or mag-planking taaning orasa kaning padulong na ta matulog, no? So medyo maano ta kay mas lami magdula og ML or mas lami nga magstorya na lang to sa tong friends no over the phone or sometimes na mga exercises or mga recreational activities na mas lingaw buhaton compared sa mag-exercise, no? So lisod mo buhat og routine. Okay? So kani nga lesson karon, this lesson is intended for us to create a routine to help us plan and to help us structure a lifestyle that we would like to do with regards to our personal fitness plans. Okay, so there are 7 steps that were designed to guide us in preparing for our physical fitness plan. So number 1, set long-term goals. First, set the goals that you're striving towards, be it losing fat, getting a muscular body, or improving your endurance. Aim high, no? Aim high ta diri. No, dili ta ano nga, ay, ingon ani lang sa, kay mo pa ni ako na kay long term man ni siya. When we say long term, it means nga, mo na siya imuhang goal gyud. Let's say for this year. O, di ba? Very perfect ang atong lesson for today. Kasi, January, first month, or January, kay it's time for us to, though today is the last day of January na, January 31, sa tingbuhat og New Year's resolution, no? So it's time for us to write our long-term goals. Ayan. So aim high, but try to be realistic too, no? Ayo pud nang kanang grabe na pud kaayo na murag wa na mataktak na nimong baga. So ayo pud na pud nga kanang realistic lang pud. Let's say karon na year mo lose ko og pila 5 kilos. Di ba? Grabe na ginang 5 kilos, no? Pwede. Karon na year mo inom less na nako akong soft drinks. Mo inom na lang kog soft drinks mga twice a month o kana realistic na siya. O, maingon pod na, ma'am, pwede man dili na mo inom og soft drinks, but is that realistic? Can you really do that? Or ma-frustrate ra ka kay everyday na di imong soft drinks gihapon. Sag after nimo nagbuhat sa goal, so be realistic. Okay? So, long-term goal, pwede ni siya for 1 year or for 3 years, no? Kasi we're trying to build or we're trying to create a lifestyle here. So when we say long-term goals, it is sabutable nga kanang nga goal ma-reach na nimo dugay pa. However, to support your long-term goals, in order for you to get your long-term goals every day, to remind you with your long-term goals every day, we need to also set short-term goals. Ayan. So, itong short-term goals, this could be monthly, weekly, or daily nimo na goals, no? So, kani nga month, dapat makakaon ko og kuan, gulay. Kani nga month dapat every ano na ko, or kani nga month ika-isa ra ko mo inom og soft drinks. Or sometimes na ako'y friend na kanina month twice lang ko mukaon og pork, no? Because for health conscious people, though they are not Muslims, for health conscious people, they try to lessen the kanang pork na meat, no? And also kaning beef, because according to them ang cholesterol ba is grabe and maka-high blood daw, no? So I've also tried that, and yung tinagal ko na nag uh, ano nag kanang wala jud ko nagkaon og pork is around 2 months, no? And did you know, pag after na kog 2 months, let's say kanang namon gud toy kanang murag tapok-tapok and kaon-kaon ba, so medyo naibog ko sa pork at that time, murag humba man siguro or what, or sinuglaw murag ana. Then pagkaon ako sa pork, wala ko ganahi. No, lahi ra gyud basta maandan gud nimo kay kung imuha to siyang balikan kay murag gina-resist na sa imong lawas ang cravings ba, kanang murag dili na ganahan ang imong lawas og ingato nga taste. So I'm amazed of that time, no? Kay kanang pero ang soft drinks is jud siya ano, no, likayan, pero ang pork na likayan ako na siya for 2 months long ana siya. So that could be a short term goal, no? Or kani nga short term, kani nga kuan goal dapat karon na bulan is magsige na ko gulay, ano, pwede ra na siya. Or kani nga kuan bulan kay dapat makabuhat, maka-split na ko, di ba? Physical fitness man day atong topic diri, no? Di man day pagkaon. No, so karon na bulan dapat maka-split na ko, ano, because you are part of the cheer dance, so let's say mga ana, no? So kani nga bulan dapat ma-reach na nako ang left hand sa zipper test. O, di ba? Nag-zipper test ta kanina, no, sa atong discussion ganiha. So, may mga ingon ana mga short-term goals, no? Or kani nga bulan dapat makita na gamay akong abs, no? Ayan. So, short-term goals. Now that you know that you wish to achieve what you wish to achieve, you have to set monthly or weekly goals to create an atmosphere of success and to be able to monitor your own progress better, no? So, sige, sabay ta, even if dili na ako yung PE teacher, o, di ba? Usahay ra ko makighagit. So, bisag dili na ako yung PE teacher, I will also try to practice this one, no? Or to follow the FATT nga format. Okay, another tips or steps, measure your progress, no? After you set your long-term and short-term goals, measure your progress, no? Find a way to measure it. Yes, you can always stand on a scale and measure your weight. No, ay mo kahadlok anang timbangan. Ang uban kay allergic kayo ng timbangan, labi na og kanang wala sila sa ilang balay, or sa balay silang friend na nakakitag timbangan, tapos all of their friends kay nagaano na nagatimbang-timbang niya siya kay medyo chubby, medyo maulang mo patong sa okay ra na uy. No, kamo pud nga friend ani niya nga person, let's say you have a friend na medyo conscious sa iyang weight, ayo po ninyo garaing nga kanang oh, sige na kuay mo timbang uy kanang hinahinay lang kay basig madaot, ayo po ninyo buliha pod, kanang i-appreciate siya, no? Because karon uso na biya kayo na kanang body shaming, no? Sa una kay dili ro kantsaw ra man ang tawagan ay karon kay body shaming na ang tawag. Nya labi nag-i-post mo na merisi na friendship over na gyud mo. Okay, so measure your progress. Okay, but in measuring your progress, it also means that paying close attention to fulfill those short-term goals and making sure you're not slacking. Okay? Or dili ba ka kanang, unsay taga na kanang murag, complacent ra pod kaayo ba? No? So, ano gyud siya, i-fulfill, i-try gyud siya fulfill. When we say measuring your progress, when we say progress, improvement man na siya. So, dili pwede nga stagnant lang ka, kay wala kay progress, wala kay i-measure kung stagnant lang ka. So in this part here, we need to practice what is the value that we need? We need to practice discipline, no? Discipline gud na siya. Discipline and disiplina na good. Bantayan nimo mo sarili, correct nimo mo sarili. No? So Maximum Fitness has the trained professionals and measurement equipment to help you track this. No? So if you have the budget, you can ask for professionals to help you measure your progress, no, with some appropriate equipment. Next is make your short-term goals attainable. Kanina, nag-set mo tag short-term goals and it should be attainable, no? But this time, we'll make it even more attainable. No, come back to being realistic. Do not set goals that are too demanding to attain. You shouldn't be too easy on yourself either by setting yourself up for failure will only demotivate you and make you hate the path you're on. A good personal trainer will lead you to the right goals. Ayan. So, hopefully, you can have that a time to visit the gym, or if you know someone who has a home gym, no, and they usually follow a certain routine, you can count on them, or you can tap them to help you attain your short-term goals. No, you can do also yoga, ha, if you want to you want stretching for the girls, no, usually it's female or girls are fun in doing yoga, but there are also male people, no, na nagabuhat og naga-yoga sila, no, or pilates, so pwede na siya. I want to try pilates, but I I would want na mas slimmer ko when I will be enrolling myself for Pilates, no? So those are my plans, no? By the way, Kierkegaard, I was not able to visit your classroom even once, no? Because I was not given the chance to handle any subject or to become a substitute of any of your subjects. But sige lang, because uh, sige lang, no? Mag-visit ra pod ko pohon. I'm not familiar who are the students enrolled in Kierkegaard, Monggot. So, sige lang, we will be seeing each other. No? So, di na ko ma-assess ba kung kinsa ba diri ang sporty, good. Pero sige lang. Okay? Next, follow the plan, no? So kung unsay plano mo gito'y sundon, no? Kanang nagbuhat-buhat kag plano niya, dili ra din mo sundon kay naa kay nakita na routine na nindot sa YouTube or what, or dili man to iyaha man tong plan, no, kana siya kaning atong buhaton is imuha man ni personalize gani, lain pud og sundugon nato ang plan sa uban, no. Pero if you find it fun nga parehas mo plan sa imuhang FITT sa imuhang seatmate or sa imuhang best friend, sa imong classmate, pwede ra na siya, but make sure to personalize it, meaning you'll base your plan sa imuhang capacity to do it. Basig kato imong friend is physically fit gito siya, sporty gito siya, dancer gito siya, no? So daghan siya mga physical activities, and here you are nagmupya sa iyang plano, ano day ka kanang daghan kag health complications, no, simba ko. So please personalize your plan, no? So you need to follow it, no, and you also need to share this to your personal trainer if you have. You can draft your personal plans with him or with her, personal fitness plans with your trainer if you have, no, stick to it. It is essential to develop the habit of working out and to become responsible enough to carry out your weekly or monthly plans. Trainers help you stick to the plan. Okay? Next is find motivation. No? Ito yung um, napakagandang ingredients when we do something. Not only in physical fitness, but anything under the sun that we want to do. We really need to find our motivation. Always remind yourself, why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Saan ka patungo? Para kanino ka bumabangon? O, 'di ba? Lahat na lang ng question, itanong mo sa sarili mo for you to find motivation. Okay, so make sure you're doing this for yourself, not for anybody else, and be happy because of it. No, uh, more than the grades or more than the requirements that PE teachers will require to their students, it should be that your utmost motivation or sole motivation is for yourself, for you to become healthy and to become happier. No, so you might have heard this, that when you exercise, it could enhance, no, or it could develop kanang happy hormones sa imuhang lawas. That is why there are times when you exercise, and when after exercising, before exercising, you are in a gloomy mode, no? Wala ka kaayo sa mood nimo. So, mas lami matulog. Pero kung imuha nang siyang naandan og nadisiplina nimo imong self to do your routine, your exercise routine, after exercising, tingala ka nga murag ma-happy ka, murag ma-good mood ka, murag mas ma-alert ang imuhang mind, no? So um that is the result, no, the chemical result of doing exercise in our body. It produces happy hormones, no? So ayan siya, no, for you to become happier, find motivation, no? And it should be yourself ang imong motivation. It should come from yourself, should come from you, para mas, 'di ba, natay duha ka klase na motivation, intrinsic o extrinsic. Extrinsic is katong mga external factors na nakapa-motivate sa imong to do the thing. It's either be positive or negative na mga motivations, mga external motivations. It could be nga kung mabuhat nimo taas imong grades, or panisyan ka sa imong teacher kung dili nimo siya buhaton. Those are extrinsic, no, nga motivation. Pero kung moingon tag intrinsic, mo na siya ang mas naga-matter, kanang imuhang personal motivation, kanang bisan walay tao nagtan-aw sa imo, bisan walay tao nag-ingon sa imuha to do this, because you have the motivation to do it for yourself. You have your personal goals and you are inspired to do it. That is the most powerful type of motivation, the intrinsic motivation. So hopefully we are all motivated, no, personally, and hindi lang doon sa grades ninyo kayo nag-worry, or doon sa feedback ng teacher ninyo with regards your FITT. No? So, hopefully, everyone will be motivated personally. No? So, after kanang getting or after reaching your goal, it's time for you to reward yourself. No? Even if monthly or weekly goals nimo na siya, tapos na-reach nimo, you also need to reward yourself. No? Unsa ang mga possible motivation sa imuhang self? Siguro you can do a cheat day once in a while. So you can bato ko ingon na, if it's part of your goal na kanang less ninyo ang soft drinks, uh, let's say mag-goal na lang mo og twice a month na lang mo inom, no? So it could be nga during your cheat day mo inom mo one glass or pila lang ka ounce na soft drinks, no? So that is a form of reward to yourself. Or unsa ba, you treat yourself, librehon, treat yourself sa movie, theater, no? Or buy yourself a new equipment, or unsa ba imong gusto, or buy yourself a milk tea, no, once in a while. So that is about motivating yourself. So when engaging in any form of physical activity, always consider the FITT. So by the way, FITT means frequency, intensity, time, and type. principle of training to be able to perform efficiently and minimize unnecessary body stress and injury. No? So, frequency, intensity, time, and type. No? We need to consider these four things when we are doing our physical activity, when we do our physical fitness plans. Okay? Unsa ka paspas, unsa ka frequent, no? Unsa ka frequent mag-stretching, unsa ka frequent mag-jogging. Kapila ka mag-jogging sa isa ka semana, no? Unsa intensity, unsa ka paspas ang imuhang pag-jogging. Okay? Unsa ko kaning sa stretching or kaning sit and reach, no? Unsa intensity ani kung unsa kalagyo ang imong tiil sa isa't isa na ma-reach nimo. So sa planking unsa na kadugay imuhang dapat ma-reach na goal. The first day nimo or first week nimo imong goal lang sa is 20 seconds nga planking. O next week pila na ba? 25, 30? Okay? Or next week 40 seconds na ba? Okay? And after a month, unsa imong goal? Unsa imong short-term goal? Na mag 1 minute na ba ka after a month of planking, doing planking every day? So, nagamatter na siya ha, frequency, intensity, time, and type of activities na imuhang buhaton. So, always consider these four elements here. Okay, so frequency, muna siya kung giingon. How often do you do the exercise? Okay, a number of training sessions that are performed during a given period, usually 1 week. No, so as you can see in our example here, there are 2 days that the person decided to have a rest. No, so cardiovascular, yan, 3-minute step test. No, so ato aning gibuhat, ato aning gidiscuss, no, kanina, and if you want to adopt this as part of your routine every day, you can do so, no? So, kanus ata magkuan. Oh, I mean, kanus kapila ta kay frequency man da ini. How often do we do this type of exercise? Oh, dinhi sa example, 5 days lang, and it's very fine. Now, in fact, it is suggested by gym instructors nga 5 days ra gyud ta mag banat-banatan na to tong lawas. We give it 2 days, ingon gani sila for 4 days na straight and then 3 days nga kuan rest. It's very ideal na rin, no? So it depends sa inyo ha. Ayan, 3 to 4 times a week per week or more are recommended times of exercises for an individual. Rest or easy days are in between to allow your body to recover from physical exertion, no? Para kay especially sa first week, grabe yun ang pamaulan na, no? So, tagaay inyong body to the time to recover. Okay, so this is how we create the frequency plan. The plan based on frequency rather. Next, intensity. How hard? Okay, unsa ka grabe atong i-exert na effort sa exercise, no? An individual's level of effort, light, moderate, or vigorous, nakaingon ani ha ang ang kanang atong plan, no? Sample activities is cardiovascular endurance. So example ng light is slow walking, okay? Mag-walking ka, pero slow lang siya sa first week. Sa second week, fast walking na ba ka? And then sa third to fourth week is vigorous na ba? So depende na sa imuha. Okay, so make sure that you are physically fit, that you've eaten your meals properly, no, and at the exact time para dili pud mo mga lipong if you are going to really do this at home. Okay, so this rate of perceived exertion or kaning ginatawag nato nga RPE, no, was designed by Dr. Gunnar Borge to indicate one's level of perceived physical effort while avoiding the need to stop and count your heart rate during exercise. It is a self-monitoring method where you observe your body's physiological indicators. Increased heart rate, breathing difficulties, and muscle fatigue are the things that you should note while exercising. No? So, pag intensity na gani, how intense it is. no, how hard it is ang exercise na imuhang i-perform. So when so of course intensity matters with time, no? So depende na siya kung unsa na tang unsa na nga kapila na nato ning ginabuhat as our routine. No, so gradual lang. Ayo po ninyo biglaan inyong lawas nga diretso mo mag-jogging dayon. Tapos dapat taas pa jud kaayo ang tuhod pagka-jogging kanang murag criminology jud kaayo pagka-jogging. No, so ayo pud parusahi inyong lawas abi kay taba na manggod kaayo ko ma'am. Unya og mabugtuan ka dira ginhawa kay gimong gipugos imong sarili sa first week pa lang kinsay may basulo ng maestra na pud ron, no, so light lang sa, no, light lang sa, no, give yourself a time to adjust because give your bodies a time to adjust because dili man na pwede biglaon, no, tanan gyud dapat hinahinayon gradual lang gyud siya. Okay? So maabot ra ta sa time na mag-vigorous ra ta. No, ayaw kayo mo ka excited kay mo sa inyong swimming class na dapat payat mo kay para gwapo ang inyong picture. Kay naway na mag-picture during swimming class. And a reminder, no, bawal mag-swimsuit sa swimming class. Okay? So mao palay pagkuha ninyo daw sa swimsuit, ingon inyong coordinator si Sir Asim, bagsak na daan. Di na mo ka-appeal kung swimsuit inyong gidala or nag-attempt mo og dala og swimsuit because that is not part of the requirement to bring. Okay? So that is about intensity. Next, time. Ayan na. So dito na tayo sa time. Okay? Okay, so parang same lang kanina sa frequency pero mas detalyado, no? Mas detalyado. So the duration of your workout including warm up and cool down or the length of time spent in training is the time, no, na tinatawag natin for our physical fitness plan. So to improve health related fitness, trainers recommend 20 to 30 minutes of non-stop exercise. No, muna akong giingon last time sa atong video discussion na ideally ang pinaka maximum good sa cardio is 30 minutes lang daw nga non-stop exercise, ha? 30 full minutes. Ayan. So time should be decreasing as the intensity of the activity is increasing. Hala. Okay, time should be decreasing daw if ang intensity is what? Increasing. So mura siya og dili siya parallel, no? Kung sa math pa. Kung ang intensity is wait. Time should be decreasing. So ang time should be decreasing. Mumubo ang time kung ang intensity sa atong exercise kay taas. Okay? So, wala pud pasabot ani nga first week pa lang nimo mag-jogging dayon ka. No? So, if kanag yung tinud-anay realistic nga kuan, diri sa Monday slow walking, tama ni siya. Okay? Slow walking. Tuesday slow walking, Wednesday is rest. Diri is fast walking. Diri siguro sa Friday is same lang siya, no? Fast siguro gihapon ni. Okay, fast walking. Hangtod diri sa Saturday. If kung ako ang mobuhat ani, kung based sa ako ang preferred nga exercise. Now, pagka second week nimo, magsugod na kag fast walking karon. Okay, fast walking, and then jogging, no? So, pwede ra na siya ingon ana, no? It's okay nga malate ta gamay. Ayog sunduga ang kanang plano sa imong classmate nga physically fit na daan kay kabalong basketballista na siya, kabalong nag-apil nag-taekwondo, imo pa yung sundugon nga lahi man mo og lahig performance imong heart ug imong lungs. So ayog sundugan na siya, no, kung di ka gusto makuyapan during your kanang physical fitness routine nimo. And class, reminding you everyone that we really need to do this every day because you need to submit this plan to your PE teacher. Okay, so there is a need talaga na we need to be particular, we need to be disciplined, we need to be more focused and more serious this time in following our personal fitness plans. Okay? So, next tayo is itong type na tinatawag. So, what kind of physical activity is ideal for you based on your health status? Okay? So, for swimming, actually, ingon sila ang mga asthmatic daw is nindot daw mag-swimming, no? Pero, sa kuha mo, gini siya ang, actually, walay sport si Miss B, no? Akong sport is taguanay ra gyud og tigso. So, akong sport na ganahan is way back before, unsa ba akong sport na ganahan, ha? Mga dili man gud siya physical related na sports akong ganahan. Kuha is kanang mga board activities ba. Mga Scrabble, mga anak mga bright good mga chess ana, pero ang chess is wala gyud ako na siya na master ever since. So swimming unta is nice, no? Swimming unta is nice. But I do jogging, no? Kung cardio ang storyahan, I do jogging and I dance, no? Part din yan siya ng lifestyle ko before. That is why I maintained when I was in your age, no, I maintained 40 to 45 na weight kilos. So, ingon, ana ra ko kagaan. That is why most of my tall friends in the church, the way they bully me is they carry me, no? So, kung ibuli ko nila kay kargahon ko nila because ingon anak kagaan when I was at your age, mga 19 to 23 akong edad, same lang na akong timbang anak, wala na siya ni dako. Ang ako alang ni bugat. Ang ako alang ato is medyo siguro ang akong bones is nag-expand. That is why akong waistline kay medyo ni himong from 26 na himong 27 at that time. And then, pero ang 27 is kanang very comfy na siya for me. 26 is very fit, no? Very fit, very B Azuro. Ang 26 na waistline before, no? During my first year of teaching. When you ask your ates and kuyas who've been my student in the past, they will really tell you that I'm so petite at that time because I usually do jogging and dancing. I was a PE teacher that time, maybe because of it, no, medyo na require si Miss B na mag-jogging and padayon ang dancing. Pero karon wala na kaayo kay grabe gyud ka busy guys, no, nabuang na gyud ko gamay. So, okay ra na siya. So, what type of activity is ideal for you? So, this includes a particular health-related fitness component being targeted, no? So, sa kuha, since asthmatic ko, I would want na mas mag-focus ko gamay sa cardio if I will be going back to my exercise routine. And did you know, during that time, maka 1 minute and a half na ko og planking, even just my first day of going back to planking, kay nagaundang-undang manggod ko at that time. I'm not too disciplined to do my exercises. But, I'm amazed because 1 minute is just basic. Di ba sabi ng discussion natin kanina, basic plank, no? So, basic ra gid ang 1 minute na planking sa kuha that time, no? So, hopefully, I can go back to that kind of life. And I think there's a really a big chance that I will be going back sa ingon ana nga life because if you do not know, this year is my last year of teaching and yeah, kay mo balik na ako sa akong world which is the business, the corporate world, no? So, hopefully as I go back to my old life, no, to my old old love sa nga work, nga job is makabalik pud ko sa akong lifestyle na ko ang naandan in the past, no? So, ana gina siya. Okay, so that's what it means to choose for the type of exercise best for you. So, FITT is one way to remember the general guidelines for what should be included in the physical fitness plan. Remember, it's important to keep in mind that each family member's fitness goals will be different based on age, sex, current fitness level, or available resources. The example of FITT table is in the next slide. So this FITT plan, or I mean physical fitness plan, it should be done with your family and friends, right? Based on the instruction in the previous slide. However, we cannot really push one or our family members or friends to do the same plan that you have for yourself, because uh we do not know. Let's say you would want this plan, your physical fitness plan, to be done with your parents, pero wala ka kabalo nga imong father day is na diabetes, or imong mama is like having a high blood, or someone in the family is suffering suffering for anemia. So there are perfect exercises best for them. So I suggest that we do research, and dili kayo vigorous sa first week, ha, para dili man sa kanang ginababy na to atong lawas, no, pero um imagine ragod na nga mapugos dayon imong lawas. So basig dili na ka makaskwela pagka Thursday. Kay ingon ka ma'am, sugda ni siya sa Wednesday. So muna ni ron o napamaulan, di na mo skwela pagka Thursday and Friday, di ba? So please manage your expectations properly. Okay? So this is an example of an FITT plan. Okay, so we have here the frequency. What is the goal? Okay, FITT goal. Okay, so goal natin sa frequency is 4 to 5 times a week. So, but I would want you guys to really cite 4 times a week. Ana gud siya ayun na 4 to 5 times, no, kanang be specific, no, 5 times a week or 4 times a week. Intensity, how hard? 2 to 4 sets, 10 to 20 repetitions, no. Ang kanisya, please do make it specific then, kasi this is our goal. And kung buhatan na to siya og minimum og maximum, maglisod taan na og sabot, and probably our mind will just settle for the minimum mangyud mo mangyud na atong hunahuna. Not all of us are palaban sa life, diba? So kung makakita kag 2 to 4 sets dira, dito na lang ko sa 2 nganong mag-abot pa man kog 4, palisodan pa man ako kung sarili. But if you will remove the 2 there, you will just remain the 4 sets kani siya. Imo na nang i-remove ang 2, i-remove nimo po ning 4 dinaa. It will really push you. It will push your understanding nga ay dapat 4 sets, because kung wala ko naka 4 sets, meaning wala na ko na reach akong goal for today or for this week, no? So 20 repetitions na siya, ayon na siya 10. Or if you would want 2 sets lang sa and then 10 repetitions, pwede ra pod. Okay? How long? 30 minutes. Pwede ra po na mo siya yung 20 minutes kung gusto ka. Okay? So, what type? So, karon na week is I will do push-up. Okay? Pwede ra na siya. Poor result. O, ala, poor result na dayon na. No, so, ayan siya. So, what type? Cardiovascular, endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, weight loss, BMI. Okay? So, depende sa imuha. You also would want to add more sa push-up o planking, pwede ra pud na siya. So, guys, kaniya kitang tanan mo buhat og FITT plan na to. Okay? So, every month magbuhat ta. Okay? Monthly na siya, and I will try to craft a kanang template for this, or I will ask Sir Marvin if meron siyang template for FITT plan design. No, kanang specific good na design ba? Ana siya. Okay, so focus on what type of health related fitness that you got. Let's say fair, poor, very poor, needs improvement, prefer yan. So refer to physical fitness results sheets and activity 2.0. Okay. If all results are within the standards, okay, you still need to make your FITT goal. Just maintain doing it. Remember, your target is to improve, no? So, just remember nga atong purpose gid ani is to see some progress, is to kung physically fit na ka, kung na kay routine daan, what you need to do here in your FITT plan is to maintain, to sustain what you are doing. Okay? Para dili ta magka problema in the future, no? So to take care of one's body and keep it healthy is to love oneself. No, always remember that taking care of your body is an indication that you love yourself. No, so self-care tayo. Okay, so hopefully you've learned something from our discussion for today. I will give the chance na to Ma'am Cessna in assessing your knowledge or your understanding about what we have talked or what we have discussed here. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day. Grade 12 Kierkegaard.